Hey guys, Trey Fava with Mortgage Bank. One thing I want to cover today is a question that gets asked very often is, a lot of clients you'll get on the phone, you'll kind of start talking about your business and what you do and how you're set up. And one of the first questions they ask is, are you a broker or a banker? And I usually say, hey, I'm neither. Let me kind of explain to you what you can be as a loan originator typically. Typically, you can be one of three things. You can either be a banker, you can be a broker, or you can be what's called a correspondent lender. And we are the latter of the three, the correspondent lender. But I'll kind of walk through what all three of them are, some pros and cons of each one of them. So, of course, a banker, you all know who that is, people that work at big banks. There's definitely some advantages of being a banker. A banker, you're obviously loaning your own money. You are making the lending decision. You are deciding whether or not to approve or not approve the loan. The disadvantage of being a banker sometimes is that typically you just have one product and one rate. So you just have ABC Bank. Here's your 30-year fixed rate. Go sell it, buddy. So that's one disadvantage sometimes of being a banker. A broker is the exact opposite of that, guys. A broker is just think of it as like an insurance broker. They can shop your insurance around with certain carriers or providers. A loan broker can do the same thing. They can shop your loan product around depending on your credit score and things like that. So they got a lot of different options on rates and products than typically than what bankers have. However, the exact opposite of a banker, a broker is just the middle guy between the consumer and the end investor, whoever they lock your loan with. So a broker typically does not approve your loan. A lot of times they don't even process your loan. They definitely do not fund the loan with their own money. So they don't have any decision making ability in the whole process. So you got two ends of the spectrum there. We are a correspondent lender. I've been doing this for right at 14 years. I've always been a correspondent lender, and I do think it's the best of both worlds. And I'll kind of tell you why. Just like a bank, we control the whole process. We underwrite, we process, we approve your loan, we fund your loan with our money, with our own money. Also, just like a broker, we can shop your loan around. We've got numerous investors that we can lock your loan with. Probably right now up to about 26 different investors. Two of them being directly with Fannie and Freddie. So most of the time, if you're just doing a vanilla 20-year, 15-year, 30-year fixed loan, and it's not a jumbo loan, we'll lock your loan directly with Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac and get the best pricing because we will kind of bypass the third parties like the Chase and the Wells and the other entities that I can lock your loan with. So again, just to kind of recap, we're a correspondent lender. We're just like a banker, and we control the whole process. We approve the loan, we fund it, really never leaves our office. And then we're just like a broker in the fact that we have the ability to shop your loan around. So hope that clears that question up. We get asked that question a lot. It's a great question. There's a lot of confusion out there of you can either be a broker or a banker, and that's really not the case. Like I said, I've always been a correspondent lender. I love being a correspondent lender. I think it gives our clients a lot of options, and it gives us the ability to control the file. So give us a call here at the office. We're happy to help any way we can. Thanks, guys.